Did you know that if I want to subpoena medical records from a municipal hospital within the 5 boroughs of the city of New York, did you know I can't just take a subpoena and serve it on them and expect the hospital to go ahead and turn over the records and bring them into court? You want to learn more? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Tomorrow's Father's Day, and I want to share this great information with you. I'm wearing a tie my kids got me for Father's Day a couple of years ago. It's a Bugs Bunny tie. And this information is really important if you were treated in a municipal hospital, like Jacobi Hospital, or Elmhurst Hospital, or Kings County Hospital, Queens County Hospital, whatever municipal hospital you were treated in. You might think, hey, we can compel the hospital to turn over your records to us. All we have to do is serve them a subpoena. Not exactly. A subpoena is only used, and we can only use that as we approach trial for the purposes of getting a hospital to go ahead, turn over their records, produce the records in court. So now we can use those records as evidence during the course of your trial. However, municipal hospitals have a little ironic twist. Instead of simply taking a document known as a subpoena, we actually have to get the subpoena signed off by the court in order to do that. It's almost like having a court order approving the fact that we are now requesting certain medical records from a municipal hospital. And there's an entire procedure to get that done. And if we don't follow that procedure, the hospital is not going to release the records to us, bring them into court, and so now when we go to try the case, we won't have those records available. And now we're going to be at a significant disadvantage. It is critical that if you were treated at a municipal hospital, and we need to get those medical records into evidence at the time of trial, we have to go through that specific procedure that not only do we prepare a subpoena, which compels the hospital to turn over their records, bring them into court, but we actually have to get the court to sign off and order the hospital to go ahead and release their records. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in the litigation process in a medical malpractice case or an accident case or even a wrongful death case here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.